Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a manufacturing business. My name is Brandon and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a manufacturing business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. 1. Conduct market research. Knowing how to start a manufacturing business is all about understanding what the market wants and how you can meet those needs. And any successful manufacturing company must begin with market research. This is the point at which you begin to learn about the manufacturing sector and the industry as a whole. During this stage, you'll want to identify any market gaps. This indicates a missing product or service that customers clearly require and for which you could or can provide. This can even include a product that they don't realize they need yet, but will when they see it. Think of any invention ever. You'll also begin to understand how various manufacturing companies operate, where and how they market and advertise their company. They've had problems or setbacks, and potentially how you can avoid them. And there's a good chance you'll find a lot of other information, expected or not, that other manufacturers share through their online marketing channels. 2. Identify your niche and business concept. A niche is a category or industry in which you will operate. You should have decided what you're going to make during step 1. And, hopefully, you now have a better idea of what niche your product will fit into. Making and selling kayak paddles, for example, would place you in the kayaking niche. And your business plan is to make and sell kayak paddles. Several things will be determined during this stage. 1. What you are making. 2. Who you are making it for. 3. Why they should pick your product. 4. Where you are making and selling your items. If you're designing a product that already exists on the market, this is the time to figure out what makes yours unique. Is it a better deal? Is it more feature-rich? Is it of higher caliber? Is it introducing a cutting-edge solution to an older product? The best manufacturing business has a high demand, a low entry cost, and plenty of margin room. Typically, this refers to consumer goods. Appliances, utensils, phone cases, clothing, and beauty care are a few examples. You already have a large customer base in any of these niches. You simply need a way to distinguish yourself from the competition. Profitability is determined by 2 factors: the difference between what it costs to make and what you can sell it for, and the number of people interested in purchasing your item. The middle section of a Venn diagram of these 2 factors is what you're looking for. When you look at the largest manufacturers in the United States, you'll notice that they make a lot of clothing, appliances, furniture, and natural products. These items typically have a large market and a lot of profit potential. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a manufacturing business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.